Here's why you're not getting flexible. 7 mistakes you're making with stretching exercises. If you're stretching regularly but still feeling stiff, you're not alone. Many people spend time trying to improve their flexibility, yet they're frustrated when they don't see the results they expect. The truth is, improving flexibility requires more than just going through the motions. It's about doing it right. But what's the real reason your stretching isn't working? The problem often lies in common mistakes we make during stretching exercises. Whether you're not warming up properly, holding stretches incorrectly, or rushing through them, these errors can prevent you from reaching your flexibility goals. The good news: you can fix these mistakes with just a few simple adjustments. 1. Not warming up first. Jumping straight into deep stretches without warming up your muscles is a major mistake. Cold muscles are stiff and prone to injury. To get the best results, start with some light cardio like walking, jogging, or cycling for 5 to 10 minutes to increase blood flow before you stretch. 2. Holding stretches too briefly. Many people hold stretches for just a few seconds, expecting results. But to increase flexibility, you need to hold each stretch for at least 20 to 30 seconds. This gives your muscles time to lengthen and adjust. Make sure to breathe deeply throughout, as this helps relax the muscle and encourages a deeper stretch. 3. Stretching only when you're in pain. It's tempting to push yourself when you feel stiffness, but stretching through pain can cause injury. Stretching should feel challenging but never painful. If you're feeling sharp or intense pain, ease off and try to gradually work into a deeper stretch over time. 4. Stretching without proper technique. Improper form can limit the effectiveness of your stretches. For example, when stretching your hamstrings, avoid rounding your back to reach your toes. Instead, keep your back straight and hinge at the hips. Pay attention to your form to ensure you're targeting the right muscles effectively. 5. Stretching the same muscles too much. It's important to balance your stretches. Many people over-focus on a few areas, like their hamstrings or back, but flexibility comes from stretching multiple muscle groups. Incorporate stretches for your calves, hips, shoulders, and arms to ensure full body flexibility. 6. Not stretching regularly. Flexibility isn't something you can improve overnight. It's a gradual process that requires consistency. Aim to stretch at least 3 to 4 times a week. Over time, this regular practice will help your muscles adapt and lengthen. 7. Rushing through stretches. Many people try to fit in a stretch session quickly, skimming through each move. Take your time. Stretching is not a race. Focus on each stretch and hold it for the proper amount of time to fully benefit from the release of tension.